So people have asked me many times, what does it mean to install a cantor? I've made some jokes about how it's not going to hurt and you have to read the instructions first and all those things. But all joking aside, what it means to install a member of the Klei Kodesh, it means to imbue them in a circle of trust, to welcome them into a circle of trust. It has been our privilege and continues to be that you invite us into the most intimate moments of your lives, to sit with you at bedsides, to stand with you beneath the chuppah, to welcome a new baby, to usher out loved ones at the end of life. To be a clergy person, to be a rabbi, a cantor, is a sacred and awesome responsibility, but one that we can't do without a congregation. And so, though it is going to be in a moment myself and Rabbi Brown and Rabbi Bregman and Cantor Gutman and Cantor Tausig, who are going to pass Torah literally and figuratively into the hands of Cantor Cohen, it is really you that make us rabbis and cantors. You install us because you give us that privilege of being with you in those moments and give us the opportunity to be of service. And so at this time, I want to invite my colleagues and friends, Rabbi Bregman, Cantor Emeritus Gutman, Cantor Emeritus Naomi Tausig, to join us on the bimah, as well as Rabbi Brown. And though this is going to be a slightly longer moment of standing, I'll ask you to please rise. If you find it difficult, you can certainly sit down.
Shani, here comes.
Cantor Cohen. Cantor Cohen. The voice of God. We welcome you to this new chapter in our congregation and in the journey of your cantorate. We stand with you before the open ark to offer a blessing of welcome and thanksgiving at this sacred time. We welcome you as you bring your voice to this congregation as our cantor.
When we sing God's praises, we open our hearts to the possibility of spiritual renewal. May your gift of music and spirit help us to sing new songs to God, inspire us to spiritual fulfillment, and help us find new meaning in the prayers and praises of our hearts. Let us welcome you with the words of the psalmist, who taught us to bring passion to our tradition through the music of our hearts. And we're going to invite all of you to share a refrain. It's in your program in a little box on the inside page. This refrain we'll say together, first in Hebrew and then English. Shiru l'Adonai, shir chadash, sing to God a new song.
In every generation, we have been inspired by teachers of Torah, who have challenged us with new songs of learning. Every opportunity for study evokes new revelation. And with this inspiration, the children of Torah become the builders of our future, a future whose story is yet to be told. May your teachings, your songs, and your vision inspire us with the light of Torah, and may you be inspired by the Torah of our community.
Shir Ladonai, Shir Chadash, sing to God a new song.
May your song always be guided by our prophets, who, in the words of Micah, said, "Do justly, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God." May you inspire others to holiness and mitzvot, contentment and peace. May the song of your spirit be compassionate and fulfilling, bringing wholeness, strength, and healing to those in need.
Shir Ladonai, Shir Chadash, sing to God a new song.
May your path always be guided by our sages, who taught, turn the Torah, turn it again and again, for everything you want to know is found within it. May your study always be filled with the sweetness of Torah, and may your passion and your song illuminate its words, so that we may find new meanings within them.
Shir Ladonai, Shir Chadash, sing to God a new song. And now, Cantor Cohen, we want to offer you a Misha Berach on this occasion of your installation as our cantor. Misha Berach Avotenu ve'imotenu, v'yivarech et hachazan Shani bat Michael u'Miriam, sheyolicha l'shalom, v'yatzida l'shalom, v'yismecha l'shalom, v'yancha el mechov chetza l'chaim u'lesimcha u'leshalom, v'shohorata v'shireha nimseru beruach HaKodesh, toch shlichuta limsor mesoret am Yisrael v'ahavat Adonai.
May the one who blessed our ancestors bless you, Cantor Shani Cohen, on this new journey on which you are about to embark. May God help direct your steps and sustain you in peace. May you find joy and contentment. May your teachings and songs be inspired by the Eternal One, and may you continue to be a messenger of the Most Holy and Most High, of the holy traditions of our people, and of God's love.
I accept this charge with awe and humility as I go forth in song and in spirit with Torah and mitzvot to lead my path, holiness and compassion to guide my steps, and fullness of faith and love to inspire others.
Shir Ladonai, Shir Chadash, sing to God a new song.
I want to invite Cantor Breitzer and Joyce to join us in a Yivarechecha, the Birkat HaKochanim, the priestly blessing.
Yivarechecha Adonai ve'yishmerech.
Ratzon, may God bless you and keep you.
Yair Adonai panav elayich v'chunech.
Ken yehi ratzon.
May God's light shine upon you and be gracious to you.
Yisar Adonai panav elayich ve'yaseh melach shalom, shalom.
May God always be with you through all of life's journeys and grant you the greatest blessing of all, that of wholeness and completion, the blessing of shalom, and a world and a congregation filled with peace.
Amen.
Amen.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam שהחיינו וקיימנו והגיענו לזמן הזה. אמן.
Amen va'amen.